Hello, welcome back. Well, if this is your first time watching me, my name is B. Nice to meet you. Thank you for clicking on this video and supporting my channel. Tonight, I am going to do a little nighttime routine. It's some things that I do at night. It's simple, basic. I just wanted to share with you guys in case you guys wanted to, incorporate some of the things I do into your own nighttime routine. Okay, so I just finished doing a little workout, did a little exercising. That's why I'm a little shiny right now. So I did wear a full face of makeup today, so I'm going to go ahead and use my makeup wipes. So I'm using these. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. These are the Global Beauty here. Like when you see these at the Dollar Tree, you gotta get like 2 or 3 of them because they're hard to find. You usually don't see these, especially 60 wipes. And these are like really thick wipes. 60 wipes for $1. When you see these, get get a couple of them. When I got these, I also picked up these as well. These are the Retinol ones. Put it in so you guys can see. As you can see, I'm almost done these. Almost done. I got like a couple more wipes left of that. So I really do use these products, and my face do not break out or anything. So these wipes are very thick. Dollar Tree. Same as the Clinique ones. These are the Clinique ones. Take the day off. I mean, who cares? They're wipes to get the makeup off. So I know some people use a cleansing oil. I ain't get that fancy yet. I just use the wipe. I mean, because I wear makeup almost every day. I had went to Virginia over the weekend. I had a chance to meet some family members, and I went to the beach. So, and I was wearing makeup and sunscreen and all of that stuff. So tonight I'ma just wash my face with this. This is the Coral Facial Cleanser. Draws out dirt and oil. It says to compare to the Biore Coral Cleanser. And this also, I also picked this up as well from the Dollar Tree. When I see this, I have a couple of these on deck. I don't use this all the time. This is not my daily facial cleanser. My daily facial cleanser is either this, I'm almost all out of this, or this. These are like gentler facial cleansers that I use. So this is like when I really want to go, a little extra step, I'll use this. Or my Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean. I family a lot and I didn't get a chance to go do a deep mask, so going in with this. I'm gonna wet my face. And these are usually easy to find in the Dollar Tree. I always see this in the Dollar Tree. I guess people didn't find out about it yet. Okay, so I rubbed it in for about a minute or so. So now I'm ready just to get in the shower, rinse this off of my face. After stepping out the shower, I'm putting 100% pure coconut oil on my body only. This I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's in liquid form because my apartment is hot during the day. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. Since my face is feeling like really tight because of the cleanser, I'm going to use a little witch hazel I picked this up from Walmart. I This was like about maybe $6 for a 16 fluid ounce. I don't use witch hazel every night, but since my skin is feeling like really tight, I'm gonna just go over my skin with a little bit of witch hazel, just to bring some balance back into my skin. And like I said, I don't use the witch hazel every night because I don't use that cleanser every night as well. Only when I really feel like I need to. The double strength retinol night repair serum. Looks like that. I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. When you see this is another thing from the Dollar Tree. When you see these, get like 2 or 3 of them because you do not see these all the time. Okay? This. Okay? Let me tell you something. I love this. And also the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I use this in the daytime, this at nighttime. So, I'm telling y'all. Can't forget the neck, of course. Okay. So after that, my favorite parts. Oh, how I just feel so nice. I go in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is how it look like. Looks like this. Let me see. Let's do a little. Ooh. It is. Oh my god. This stuff feels amazing. Ugh. I'm telling you. This is why Estee Lauder been around for so long. They've been around for so long for a reason. Okay? As soon as you put it on, it's like, I'm almost out. Get the neck. And then after that, I go in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair 8 Intense Reset Concentrates. This, oh my god. Woo. Woo. It gives you the directions on the back. It says use at night after your repair serum. So after this serum, first you use this serum first, then you go in with this. Kind of like, because this is the light. Because you kind of want to start with the light and then you go into your heavy. Oh, I love this stuff. Like, let me see. You guys can see. Come out. That's how it looks. Oh, and that smell. It just, I don't know how to explain it. It just smells so nice. Oh. My face feels so soft, like a baby. Woo. Let's see. So I'm gonna put on some Night's Repair for my eyes. Try peptide eye cream. You can use this for day or night, it says. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. So yeah, simple and basic. That's my night routine for the most part. And thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.